Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we will explore the Mihiki portable washing machine and the Swag mini portable washing machine. Both of these machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small living spaces, travel, and delicate laundry items. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Mihiki portable washing machine offers a generous 13 liters, making it suitable for larger loads of delicate items like baby clothes and underwear. In contrast, the Swag mini portable washing machine has a slightly smaller capacity of 11 liters, which may limit the amount of laundry you can wash at one time. If you often find yourself needing to wash more items, the Mihiki could be the better choice. The Mihiki portable washing machine features 3 distinct washing modes, allowing users to customize their washing experience based on the type of laundry being washed. Unfortunately, the Swag mini portable washing machine does not specify its washing modes, which could be a drawback for those looking for versatility in their washing options. Having multiple modes can enhance cleaning efficiency and cater to different fabric types. In terms of special features, the Mihiki portable washing machine includes a dryer function, which is a significant advantage for users who want to dry their clothes quickly after washing. On the other hand, the Swag mini portable washing machine boasts S+ clean technology, which promises enhanced cleaning performance. Depending on your laundry needs, these features could greatly influence your decision. To wrap up, both the Mihiki and Swag portable washing machines have their unique strengths. The Mihiki offers a larger capacity and multiple washing modes, while the Swag provides advanced cleaning technology. Consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing between these two options. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.